Ready to conquer advanced algebra? Let's solve together. By using cubic expression, we are going to solve these three problems now. Question 1. If x equals to -2, what is the value of 27x cube minus 54x square plus 36x minus 8? Look, given x equals to -2, the expression is 27x cube minus 54x square plus 36x minus 8. Look, if we just put the value x equals to -2, we can get the answer, but it's not a good idea. We have to express this one, or we have to simplify this one by cubic formula. What is this? We know, look, we know a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Why we are thinking about this rule? Because look, here is x cube, here is x square, here is x, and here is nothing, but we can think one thing. Look, this 27 we can write 3, and this one is x, and we can use whole cube. Look, 3 cube means 27, x cube means x cube, okay? And here is minus, look, 8 means 2 cube. Now look, these 3x we can consider a, and these 2 we can consider b. Now look, here is 3a square b. So minus 3a square, it means 3ax square, right? Then times b, b means 2, plus here is 3ab square. 3a means 3x and b means 2, and here is square. Now look, here is 3x square times 2. What will be the result? 3 times 3 square means 9 times here is 2, and here is x square, right? Now look, 3 times 9, it means 27, 27 times 2 means 54, and here is x square. Look, we already get this result. Similar, here is 2 square means 4, 3 times 3 it means 9, 9 times 4 means 36, so here is 36. So naturally this expression we can write a minus b whole cube. A means 3x minus b means 2 and whole cube. Okay, now we can put the value of x equals to -2. So 3 times x means -2, and here is 2 and whole cube, right? Now look, 3 times -2 is -6, and here is -2 whole cube. Now look, -6 -2 it means -8 whole cube. Okay, so what will be the 8 cube? 8 cube means 512, and minus cube means it will become minus, and this is our answer. By using cubic formula, we can easily solve this problem. Okay, number 1 done. Now number 2. Second question, answer 2. If a plus b equals to 5, ab equals to 6, find the value of a cube plus b cube plus 4 times a minus b square, a minus b whole square. So similar, here is also we can write given a plus b equals to 5 and ab equals to 6. So a cube plus b cube plus 4a minus b whole square. So we have to find out the value. So this one, as per cubic formula, in value we will write a plus b whole cube minus 3ab plus 3ab times a plus b, right? And against this one we can write 4. We know a minus b whole square, we can write a plus b whole square minus 4ab, right? Now a plus b whole cube, a plus b means 5, so here is 5 cube minus 3 times ab means 6 times a plus b means 5 plus 4. Here is a plus b square, it means 5 square minus 4 times ab means 6. Okay. Now look, 5 cube means 125 minus 3 times 6 times 5, 6 times 5 is 30, 30 times 3 is a 90 plus 4. 5 square means 25, 4 times 4 means 24, 25 minus 24 it will be 1. So 125 plus 4 it's a 129 minus 90 and the result is 39. Clear? So number 2 done and the answer is 39. Last question in this video. Let's start. Number 3, x equals to root 5 plus root 3. Find the value x cube plus 8 divide x cube. First, given x equals to root 5 plus root 3. Look, here is x cube plus 1 by x cube. So we know the value of x, but we don't know the value of 1 by x. Therefore, we have to find out the value 1 by x, right? But actually it's not 1 by x, it's 8 by x cube. It means here is x cube plus 2 divided x to the power cube. 2 cube means 8. So we have to find the value 2 by x. So 2 by x, once we want to find out the value, so first we have to make 1 by x, which is 1 divide root 5 plus root 3. So both denominator and numerator we will multiply by root 5 minus root 3 because we don't want to keep any root sign in the denominator. So root 5 plus root 3 times root 5 minus root 3. So here is root 5 minus root 3. We know about a plus b and a minus b. So we can write root 5 square minus root 3 square. Okay. Then here is root 5 minus root 3 and here is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 3. So root 5 minus root 3 divide 2. So this one is 1 by x. So once we multiply both sides by 2, it will become 2 by x equals to root 5 minus root 3. Okay, so we get 2 by x. Now look, this one we can write as per a cube plus b cube formula, which is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. So x cube plus 2 by x cube. So we can write x plus 2 by x whole cube minus 3 times x times 2 by x times x plus 2 by x, right? Then x means what? Root 5 plus root 3 plus 2 by x means root 5 minus root 3, then whole cube. Here x and x out, minus 6. Okay, and here is similar, root 5 plus root 3 plus root 5 minus root 3. So here plus root 3 minus root 3 out, 2 root 5 whole cube minus, here root 3 minus root 3 out, so 6 times 2 root 5. So 2 cube, it means 8 times root 5 cube means 5 root 5, right? And here is minus 6 times 2 means 12, here root 5. So we can write 40 root 5 minus 12 root 5. So 40 root 5 minus 12 root 5, the answer is 28 root 5. Done. Very easy and very simple. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comments box, and you should more practice these kinds of math because this is very important for examination, especially IGCSE, CBSE, grade 10 and also SAT. Okay, so thank you very much. Don't forget subscribe my channel, which is Home of Math.